Okay guys, I'm explaining you today how you use the new machine. This machine is for CPR the screen in safe way and it's very simple to use. The first step is remove the screw in your device. This one works for iPhone 12 and 13. It's the same for iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. It's the same way, okay? First step, remove the button screws. Is one of the most important part, guys. If you don't remove the button screws, obviously you can break the screen. The first is remove the screws. Now, we bring our machine, and this machine contains 4 suction cups. The first 2, this one here, is just for hold the phone in position, and with these 2, we separate the screen for the device, right? Now, what is the best way for use this machine? First, we remove the screws. Now, we insert the device here inside the machine. Okay, guys, the first is insert the device here. Now, what we need to do, we need to pick up the machine, open this suction cup, and as that hold or push the phone and close the suction cup. Now it's in position. What is the next step? The next step is, with this one open, we need to close the machine. This machine here comes with one button, this button here, and what we need to do, hold the button and just down the suction cup and close the suction cup. Okay, now we are in perfect way for open the device. And what's the first step, guys? The first step is just hitting the device. What we need to do, just hitting this way, usually, for let it be, side by side, and we hit around for 15 to 20 seconds, okay? Okay guys, the idea with this one is use hold with the machine, open move the switch here for pilot the screen a little bit, right? Now, what's the way? Simple. We already hit, and now we start moving the tool. We start opening the tool slowly, okay? If this happens, in this case I separe the suction cup to the machine. No, it's a problem. Just hold the button, drop, and close. Okay. Okay, and now same process. Just move it, and the machine start separate the screen a little bit. It's separate again. Just let me check. Just drop it, close it, and open it again. Okay. Just help hit a little bit, and the machine just do the job. Okay guys, now continue, and we can see a space here. Okay, this one is the best way for opening these devices. With this way we prevent possible crack. Okay, now what's the next process? The next process is use the poker card or the plastic card, insert the plastic card for one way, and put a little bit alcohol in the plastic card, a little bit alcohol, not too much, and start swipe. Okay, perfect. When you feel it's a little bit harder, just remove the card and hit again. Hit again for this area, for the sizes, just for separate the sizes. Perfect. Next that, put your card again, put a little bit alcohol, and swipe. Okay. Perfect. If you want, you can just move the machine a little bit more, or just continue open the screen and swipe your card. Perfect. Now next the other side, and with the other side is 100% the same. Just hit the area, and same way, guys. Just put the card, put a little bit alcohol, and swipe. Remember, don't insert too much the card, it's just a little bit. Perfect, perfect. We can see the space here now, right, for both sizes. Now, what's the next step? The next step is simple. Just put the card here for keep the space. Just insert a little bit. Now, remove the suction cup and press the button here and open the screen. What we need to do later, remove this suction cup, move the tool, open the bottom suction cup, and just remove the device. Very careful, guys. Super careful, please. Remove it. Perfect. We have the device here, and the next step is just continue open the device. How we continue open the device? Same process. Just hit and continue putting the tape around under the screen. Perfect. We swipe here, a little bit alcohol, and just swipe. Perfect. This way. Perfect. Now we need to open this area here, and how open this area here? Simple. Just hit it and start moving the screen. Just move the screen a little bit for sizes, and just go and open very careful. Now we have the headset here. Just remove it and just continue with open the device. How open the device, guys? And let me explain you. First, we remove the bottom screws. We remove the plate screws here. We have 2 screws for the screen and battery. Remove the plate. And now disconnect first the battery connector. Next, the both screen connectors. Next that, we remove the plate for the Face ID connector or air speaker connector. We have 4 screws. Perfect. And remove the plate. Next that, just remove or disconnect the Face ID connector. Perfect. And we can separe the screen. This one is the screen, and this one is the base.